So your car's not charging correctly. Let's take a look at some settings.
So taking a look at our iDrive system here, we want to make sure we go to apps. So it's the 4 squares here. There's a blue app here called Charging. This is where we're going to get to our charging settings. So we're going to click that. Now we have 3 settings in here that we want to take a look at. So charging mode is our first one. Charging mode we want to be set to immediately. This is going to charge the car as soon as it's plugged in. With the time slot, that just gives you the ability to charge it from one specific point to another. So say 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. So immediately is the way to go. AC limit, we want to make sure this is turned on. And then we're going to turn the limit all the way up to 48 amps. And the reason we do this is because it's going to charge the car as fast as possible. So that's just the best setting we want to keep it on. So going back, now we're going to take a look at the charging target. So there's 2 ways to go about the charging target. So our first way would be 80%. We recommend this for our fully electric customers. So for the fully electric, we recommend 80% because it's best for the battery health. It's kind of like your iPhone. You don't want to keep charging it because it might, run the battery down over time. But if you turn it up all the way to 100, that's what we recommend for a long drive and for our hybrid users because you're not just solely relying on the battery.